In high school, I had no idea really. I kind of was thinking more of business field, something in business. I didn't really have a plan going into college on the real estate major. I just was kind of looking around for business schools, good business schools, and I found the polytechnic aspect of Stout really was what hit home. So I was in a class called Intro to Business, and we had a presentation about the real estate property management major, and that's when I switched majors. Because there's so many fields in real estate, I mean there's commercial, industrial, residential, appraisal, all these different sides that you can go into. And I found it incredibly interesting. It really helps too that all of the professors here in the real estate department are industry professionals as well. I mean, they have their own businesses. They've been in the real estate or currently are in the real estate business, running their own businesses. And it just gives a different perspective on things rather than just learning right out of a textbook. You know, they can actually tell us about, oh, this is what happened when this person leased out when they weren't supposed to, or whatever, you know, just different real life experiences rather than just textbook scenarios. So that's really great. I found out about my internship through the career conference here at Stout. I'm going to be right downtown Minneapolis. They're commercial real estate, so I'll be managing like office spaces, figuring out how to, you know, lease certain tenants, just really getting into the commercial side of it. And I know I'll be working with the financial teams and the maintenance teams and just kind of up and down the whole building, really getting a good grasp on things. The next step for me, I would really love to see myself, if all goes, you know, as planned, and I love the office commercial side of property management, I would love to be in a, you know, a skyscraper building managing the property there and as part of a team or, you know, whatever. But yeah, that's what I would absolutely love.